Ever wondered what happens to your body when you start eating honey? Honey, a natural sweetener, has been used throughout history and across cultures. Its existence dates back to ancient civilizations, where it was revered for its sweet taste and myriad of health benefits. Honey is nature's gift to us, a product of the tireless efforts of honeybees collecting nectar from flowers. They carry this nectar back to their hives, where it undergoes a magical transformation into the golden liquid we know and love. But honey is not just about its sweet, tantalizing taste. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties that have profound effects on the human body. Whether it's boosting your energy, improving your skin, or even aiding in weight loss, honey has got you covered. Now that you have a basic understanding of honey, let's delve into the changes your body experiences when you incorporate honey into your diet. First off, honey has a significant impact on your digestive system. It's not just a sweet treat, it's a natural digestive aid. Honey is rich in prebiotics, elements that fuel the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria play a crucial role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and keeping harmful microbes in check. Furthermore, honey can soothe an upset stomach and even combat ulcers. So, a spoonful of honey not only sweetens your tea but also boosts your digestion. Next up, honey is also a natural immune system booster. It's like a tiny, sweet army, ready to defend your body against a host of invaders. Its antibacterial properties fight off harmful bacteria, while its rich antioxidant content helps to neutralize harmful free radicals. Regularly consuming honey doesn't just satisfy your sweet tooth, it also fortifies your immune system, helping to keep common illnesses at bay. Imagine that, a delicious treat that also keeps you healthy. With honey in your diet, you are fortifying your body's natural defenses. Another fascinating effect of honey is on your sleep. You see, honey has the ability to regulate insulin levels in the body. This in turn triggers the release of tryptophan into the brain, which is then converted into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. As night falls, this serotonin is further converted into melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and healing in the body. So, a spoonful of honey before bed can pave the way for a good night's sleep. Lastly, honey is good for your heart too. This natural sweetener can help reduce bad cholesterol, that's right. The less bad cholesterol you have, the less likely you are to fall victim to heart diseases. It's like having a friendly bodyguard for your heart, warding off unwanted health risks. Honey does this while also providing a delicious alternative to regular sugars. In short, honey not only sweetens your life, but also keeps your heart beating strong. So, we've discussed several significant changes your body undergoes when you start eating honey. Let's summarize these points for a quick recap. Firstly, honey works wonders for your digestive system, helping break down food more efficiently. Secondly, it strengthens your immune system, boosting your body's natural defenses against illnesses. Additionally, the consumption of honey can improve your sleep quality. It aids in the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to face the day. Last but not least, honey contributes to heart health. It improves circulation and can help lower bad cholesterol levels, making it a sweet addition to a heart-healthy diet. But like with any good thing, moderation is key. Too much honey can lead to health issues, so it's important to enjoy its benefits wisely. Remember, everything in moderation, even honey. So, enjoy the sweet benefits of honey but don't overdo it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.